Hello everyone, good morning. Very warm welcome to you all in today's maths class. I hope you all are fine and safe at your places. Yes, so let's start today's class. In yesterday's class, my dear students, we have done the recap of subtraction. Yes, remember? Okay, in today's class, we will do the same sums of subtractions again, but in book. Okay, so hurry up, bring out your books. Very good. So open chapter number 3. Today we will do the exercise of chapter number 3, subtraction way up to 100. So be ready and look at the book. So kids, here I have maths book with me. Open page number 30 of chapter 3. On page number 30, here is book exercise 3A. Write the numbers correctly and subtract. These are the sums of subtraction, but write the number correctly means correctly numbers हमने कैसे write करने हैं. See, here we have given two numbers in each sum. Here see A 43 and 21, 84 and 97. Here we have given two numbers in one sum. एक sum में हमें कितने numbers दिए हुए हैं देखिए, two numbers. And how we have to write numbers correctly ड्यूरिंग सब्ट्रैक्शन. जब भी हम सब्ट्रैक्शन करते हैं तो हमें बिगर नंबर को यहाँ ऊपर राइट करना है एंड द स्मॉलर नंबर वी हैव टू राइट बिलो द बिगर नंबर ऑलवेज. ओके, so 43 and 21, which is a bigger number. See, 43 is bigger than 21, so we will write 43 here and 21 below that. And this sum, you can see here are again two numbers, 84 and 97. Which is bigger, 84 or 97? Yes, you all knows how to do comparison. 97 is bigger, so 97 we will write here and 84 here. 12 and 33. 33 is bigger number, so we will write it here and 12 at the top. The next is 91 and 40. So 91 is bigger than 40. We will write 91 here and 40 below it, like this. Okay, now we have written the all numbers correctly, and now we will start the subtraction. The first sum is 43 minus 21. Yes, so जैसे हमने कल किया था 3 minus 1. How we will do it? 3 minus 1. So here we have left 2. So we will write number 2 here. 4 minus 2, 4 minus 2. So we have left 2 again. Like this, you all have to write 43 minus 21. Answer is 22. The next is 97 minus 84. So 7 minus 4, we will open 7 fingers and close 4 from these. 1, 2, 3 and 4. How many left? 3. So we will write 3 here. Again, next is 9 minus 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 minus 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 cut and we have left only 1. 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2. So we have left 1. 3 minus 1. 3 में से अगर 1 क्लोज करते हैं तो 2. Okay, 1 minus 0. 0 is nothing. So the answer is 1. 9 minus 4. Okay, one more method to do subtraction is this. Small number is 4 and bigger number is 9. So we will start counting from the next number of this smaller number. 9 minus 4. तो हमें 9 fingers open नहीं करनी है. We will start counting from the next number of this smaller number. Smaller number is 4. So we will start counting from next number of 4. 4 का next number क्या है? 5. So हम 5 से counting start करेंगे till 9. कहाँ तक करनी है? Till this bigger number. Okay. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So answer is 5. Done? I hope you all have done this work. So now open page number 33. Here is the exercise 3B. We will do this also. And here are the sums of borrow. जैसे हमने addition में sums किए थे, पहले simple वाले and then carry वाले. Okay? इसमें हम करेंगे borrow के sums. In subtraction, we have the sums of borrow. Firstly, here fill in the boxes. See, 84, 8 tens plus 4 ones. 84 means 84 में हमारे पास है 8 tens plus 4 ones. Yes? And if we are doing the regrouping of this number, then if we have given 1 here, then it means 14 ones and 7 tens. We will do it the same here again. 93. So these are 9 tens and 3 ones. 9 tens and 3 ones. Write in your books 9 and 3. Again here we will give 1 tens here. See, in the sum 4, 14, like this 3 will comes 13 because it takes 1 tens from 9. Now it is 8 tens. 2 tens and 7 ones. Now if 2 tens, अगर 2 tens में से हम 1 tens 7 में add कर दें तो this is now 17 ones and this is 1 tens. Understand? Like this we will do the subtraction here. 46 minus 39. This is a bigger number and this is smaller number. Yes, but here see, we have to subtract 6 minus 9. How we will do it? 6 is smaller than 9. Yes, so we will now 4 will give 1 tens here. 4 will give 1 tens to 6. 6 को 1 tens यहाँ से बोरो करना है. ओके, 4 में से अगर 1 tens हम इधर बोरो करते हैं then 6 comes 16. 6 क्या हो गया? 16 and 4 is 3 now. 4 have given 1 tens here and this is now 3. Now we will subtract 16 minus 9. Now this is a bigger number than 9. Yes? So we will start counting from the next number of 9. 9 के बाद कहाँ से start करेंगे? 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 till 16. Now how many numbers we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the answer is 7 here. 3 minus 3. 3 में से अगर 3 कट करते हैं तो 0. So the answer is only 7. Understand? Do the next sum. So here again 5 is smaller than 8. So now we will take 1 tens from it. Okay, 5 जो है वो tens वाले 5 से 1 बोरो लेगा, then it is now 15 and tens, this 5 is now 4 tens. So 15 minus 8. स्टार्ट काउंटिंग फ्रॉम नेक्स्ट नंबर ऑफ 8. 8 के नेक्स्ट नंबर से हम काउंटिंग स्टार्ट करेंगे टिल 15 तक. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. How many numbers are here? 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Again 7. This is 4. And 4 minus 2? 2. Yes, you all knows, na? Very good. Now 4 will take one borrow from here. Now 7 will gives 1 here. So this is 14 ones and this is 6 only. 14 minus 6. How we will do the subtraction? Yes, with our new method. Yes. Counting from 7 to 14. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So how many numbers we have now? Count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. 6 minus 5. 6 में से 5 कट करेंगे तो 5 and 6. 5 के बाद क्या आता है? 6. So here the answer is only 1. 81 minus 54. 1 minus 4. Can we do it? इसको हम कर सकते हैं 1 minus 4. नहीं तो 1 को क्या करना है? यहाँ से बोरो लेना है. So it will becomes 11 now and this is 7 times. 11 minus 4. Now we will start counting from 5. 4 का next number 5. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11. So now here we have again 7 numbers only. 7 minus 5. 5, 6, 7. Only 2. Done? I hope you all are understanding these sums. 87 minus 69. Again 7 will take one borrow from here. So it will become 17 ones. And this is 7 tens now. 17 minus 9. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many numbers we have? 8. 7 minus 6. Only 1. 67 minus 39. 7 minus 9. How we will do it? Yes. 7 will take one borrow from 1 tens. It will give and this will become 17 now and this is 5 only. 17 minus 9. Again we have 17 minus 9 same. So the answer will be same again 8. And 5 minus 3. 3, 4, 5. Only 2. 53 minus 45. Now 3 will take one borrow from here. It will becomes 13. 13 ones. And this is 4 tens. 13 minus 5. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. These are 8 numbers we have. 4 minus 4, 0. So the answer is only 8. 0, 8 means only 8. Yes, here 85 minus 19. 5 is smaller than 9. So we can't do the subtraction like this. So again 5 will take one borrow. 15 ones and this is 7 tens. 15 minus 9. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6. 7 minus 1. 7 minus 1, 6. So the answer is 66. Now here we have left only two sums and ma'am is leaving that. Okay, अभी इसमें मैम ने आपकी हेल्प की. आई होप आप सबको समझ आ गया. यस, यू ऑल हैव अंडरस्टैंड. So these two sums are only your homework. Okay, do these sums and send the photograph of this page to ma'am. Okay, bye bye, take care. We will meet in our next class now.